Back at it again, my viewers and subscribers. That is it. Vybz Kartel threw shit at Shorty brawling in the latest song he did, named They Are Out of Love We Aren't. And trust me, people, everything I lie me I tell, just hear it for yourself. It brawling.
My ex could never step in on your shoes, Louis leather.
But Shorty, big up yourself anyway. Them, you know that can't face it, you know what I mean? Different from the average people, the saga continues with Kevin versus Beanie Man. Kevin now start beat Beanie Man what Vybz Kartel, you know what I mean? Kevin has said everything Vybz Kartel did, Beanie Man follow. You see me? So right now, this is what Kevin has to say about the whole situation. This is what I say. So after him talk, we're gonna play the video and show you what Kevin really talk about.
So people, I want to know if you see that video here, where Beanie Man get picked up from an airport. A van there pick him up. Couple car there. But one thing strike my eye. The G-Wagon that pick him up. You remember when time Adi first went to Florida? A white G-Wagon come pick him up from the airport. Actually, that white G-Wagon is in Adi garage. Him own it. Beanie Man have a red G-Wagon come pick him up. Him just have to do that. The man petty, him petty down to the teeth. Beanie Man is a grown man. Beanie Man, you fight some battle where some little secret battle and you still... Now me hear say Beanie Man gone with a half again with another disrespectful song. Brother, you know, realize say, the people them start to give you a little bit and you stay sure them people start dancing your song them again. Now make the people them bring you down back again, bro. You're dep on one road where you're dep on by yourself, maintain the road there. But leave people alone. Because if you keep on shooting shot just to stay viral, you may get a viral moment what you're not going to like. Take a look at Footer Hype. Yeah, it's only so far you can poke the bear before the bear react to you. And the jungle, it just not help out someone right now. Because you're not surviving in the jungle here. Truth be told, we want to see Disha Ravers in one of them car there with you. I travel for one of them plane there with you. Until you start do that, brother, come down for social media and stop going like you're somebody, man. You're not nobody until we start see you pitney them. I roll with you. You're not buying a house America yet. Adi buy a house. Like me said, the G-Wagon will pick up Adi. He owned it too. It's his. It's in his garage. Of his brand new house that he just purchased. Where is your brand new house? Me know say you soon try say if you can buy one house America. We are wait feet. Because you love competition. See bounty killer there in a swimming pool. Soon you're gone in a one too. Be careful, you might drown. Yeah. Because them say some man a bubble through them ass nowadays. Some man a drown through them body. Because I only body man alone. Itch up on the man so. Come down, man.
So that is what Kevin has to say about Beanie Man. So people, just leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you support what Kevin has just said about Beanie Man. But anyway, my viewers and subscribers, we all don't know say anybody rise up against Vybz Kartel always going to get beaten. Vybz Kartel fans them not gonna stop beating Beanie Man. See me I say because of the talk them what you make in the past and rise up against him for the throne. You know what I mean? But anyway, that people not only Beanie Man getting beaten because Joshy is getting it right now. This brother have a whole lot on his chest and he want to let Joshy know the truth. So Joshy, this is what this brother has to say about your career right now.
Go and go look for your blood clot career and stop big up man on stage about idol when I about idol. I don't know is nobody idol. Boy, go find a career youth. Find back your career and find back who mash up your career, dog. And your style and your ways to make you see make your career cut short, you know, brother. Your style and your ways make your career cut short. Imagine you and Skeng busting our business together, Chargy. When you bust in our business, you bust the same time, yo. When you bust the same time. Same time when you bust. And Joshy blood clot, imagine. Two Popcorn a bigger star than Skeng. You go take side with blood clot Popcorn. Remember, say one member, you know. You see all of the artists when time when you go on the fuck you and feel like the truth. Time I go fly past and things. Yo, me not forget nothing. Me I touch you all around the can one by one. Joshy, you two blood clot switchy. You love switch. And that's why things reach your youth. Why you feel like you can't go near my camp? I'm glad when you can't go near my camp, you know. I'm not one boy if you tell me nothing. I see. I study dancehall like a scientist. It's a reason why you can't go against my camp. You can't go in my camp. You can't even get a color from my artist. Because my artist never do that my cussing tomorrow, today. No. If I ever see a Tommy Lee and a Joshy collab, I cuss Tommy Lee tomorrow and cuss him all the same day too. As my artist. Joshy, you too switchy. You can't come near my camp for two purposes. Briscoe them apart Tommy Lee. Skeng them apart Tommy Lee. Remember you pick your side blood clot Popcorn. You feel like Popcorn can't tame? Eh? You feel like Popcorn can't tame? Boy you follow Popcorn a call Skeng Mali head. Make me do it. And my work that. Skeng no know me no know him. We just know him as an artist, bad artist. Make me call him no Mali head. You shouldn't go take side with Popcorn. And this the man with Popcorn, brother. Yeah, switchy. The man was the best friend. When you enter the business together, when you build the thing together, cream of the crop, ratty gang. The two are now par, we now fuck up the place, we now do music together. Why the fuck you go switch past Skeng? Eh? Nobody now want par with their youth. You're too switchy, Joshy. You're a good artist. You're a good artist when you come on the scene, like you look at style and tell my sister boy, you love switch. Because all me and blood class came for boss in our business. And all of a sudden two Popcorn a big artist. We go follow Popcorn and start call them all the head. That's disrespectful. Skeng. But now I see you one good youth, you know. Because at one part I see you touch him can when I get too bright, you know. I see you have touch him can with new era. Remember good now man, I study dancehall. Time to set the gear from the beard, from the fame alone in them brain. Controversy upon the media that the whole of them love either when me talk the truth and everybody see that lyrically, physically, none of them and nobody talk tough when you're drunk, better you do take a Mali. That's it, meaning was a Joshy had this, but I just touch him a little bit. And remind him who is you, I love that youth. Joshy, remember one time you have a little hype. I have fuck up the place I up on stage. I don't know where Briscoe do. And Briscoe hold the thing and come on stage. I try to get two little songs for sing and two little forward. I disrespect the man. You send a second come and the man have just thump him up in his face. Remember good. I don't know what you did with Joshy. You never did music. That's why your career cut short. That's why your career cut short, bro. You did the badness with uno artists. If you not do the badness, go do the badness, bro. If you not do the music, my advice to me, go and do uno, go and do the music, brother. That's it. Joshy, no one will forgive you. Nobody will not part with you so easy. I will massacre gear pieces. That song there, him still not part with them. Just massacre is just a good youth. I try to put her back on a little pedal stone like. Because the man say nobody not use you, but you're talented. Nobody not busy if you're talented right now. Just switchy. Stop being switchy, brother. You have to loyal, bro. You have to loyal like Sean Storm. If you're loyal right now, you get a call from Tommy Lee. I have power with Tommy Lee like Briscoe. You violate the man them charge it. When you feel like say you're this powerful youth and you can't be touched, you violate the man them wicked. So that's why right now you have to hold a one dancer that go back and do about your idol. Don't nobody, bro. I don't know it's nobody. I don't know it's nobody, bro. Someone know how I don't have to be an idol. He's a waste man. Pussy more watch one time. Joshy, you me a chat, you know. You and Skeng me a chat right so. One time all I know about my don't see who no ever go on an interview on a stage or anything and say big up Vybz Kartel. I never hear no say that yet. You no make up on your mind when you want to bro. Yeah, God no, I never hear him say that yet. You see that on a stage, interview or in a one song. You never ever pay home with your Kartel yet. Never. So Joshy, your little career now go back nowhere. Go and live off for your little royalties them off for your song them, it song them and thing. But it's as far as number one concern, hit song, you're gone man, you're doomed, your blood class switch you too much.
Viewers and subscribers, just tell me if all what this gentleman has stated, if he is right about Joshy, John Star. Just leave a comment in the comment section. But anyway, Tychicus always a different way of the girl them in the people. So this is what Tychicus has to say about the ladies. You know what I mean? That is it.
Ladies
Is
come
there
for the
any
great
woman that
68
never
wine.
get any Mother's Day wine? Is there any mother that did not get any wine for their Mother's Day? Can you please come line up in front of me right now? I don't want you beside me. I don't want you behind me. I want you right in front of me for the Mother's Day wine. You will get a wine called Great 68. Right? When you get the wine called Grade 68, it will cure the disease that named panty jumping. Line up right in front of me if you never get any wine. Well, you never get any wine. The Grade 68 wine. Yes, Grade 68. This wine is cured for 68 years. When you get it, it may scratch. It may scratch you. It may scratch you, but it is penetrating your body and getting cure of your panty jumping disease. Argument done.
Big up your oneself, Tychicus. But now on a serious level, people, this brother here has a serious message for Andrew Holness. I mean, him a want Andrew Holness and him not laugh. So I don't know if this is his final warning to Andrew Holness, but he might deal with the Prime Minister away. But anyway, people, listen for yourself.
I'm going like so no take this thing for blood clot joke. And money alone on the priority. Pussy, me I show you say paper now no value. Because I'm not learn now. I'm not bumbo clot learn. It look like I make some computer come down when I look at robot run around this blood clot and I control pussy clot people. Now I want to sit down and watch them something that take place. Pussy. You hear me I want to know? So Andrew, you no plan to come out of power? You plan for we continue under this? You plan for we continue under them fucker? You plan for we continue and live like this, virgin? We cast a living higher place and we can't reach it. Hey. No one are doing, you know. No one are bumbuckler doing a parliament, you know. You may want to hold on all I want to run back at them when election time. No one are pussy clot doing, you know. You may want to know people. You may you long when I get one and I don't want to listen people. But when people dead, the whole on a blood clot jump up and want justice.
John Star, people, Alkaline fans say Alkaline is a big threat to Vybz Kartel. And right now, that is the debate we are going all over the media right now. So me I say, everywhere you go, this is one of the #1 topic we're going viral. It's me I say, so people,
how much dancehall
listen for
artists you
yourself.
say go up against? Remember just use Vybz Kartel alone and still surviving at the business. Right now, if you look on it, before even Kartel come out, who's the artist with them compare against Kartel? The whole Gaza. All if Alkaline vloggers them sit down and talk about Alkaline and not talk about Kartel. The whole Gaza attack. You understand what I mean? Them literally have to attack. If you come out and you say, yo, me like how Alkaline achieved this, and me like how Alkaline achieved that, the whole Gaza attack you. All when you say nothing compare to Kartel or anybody from the Gaza. Why? Because them say the youth is a real threat to Kartel. And that's no cap. If me know say, me are the best in the game, right? And my followers them know say me are the best in the game. There's no way them are gonna go up against Rapper Crapper when Rapper Crapper talk about his success. No. There's no way them supposed to go over this and bash Rapper Crapper. No. Them supposed to do over here so and support me. Because what? Them are my supporter. You understand what I mean? Them are my supporter. Them not supposed to look for say, yo, oh, if Alkaline fan base them post or something, them are go over they go attack. No. That only show me say, when you see the youth as a threat, I want to try everything possible to get rid of the youth.
Viewers and subscribers, Jano, me say the police boxed the Rasta man. I don't know what the Rasta man did, but the Rasta man get a slap across his face from the police officer. And the police officer stand up a mock and jeer and make fun of the man. Like a clown. People, and not make me make up the story. Or no watch and listen for yourself. This can't be real.
Look what Jamaica come to.
Please, we do not have laws for the video. We do not have laws for video. So there's no. This a fool. Public property. This. You are sad. Enjoy.
Thank you for watching my viewers and subscribers. And those who haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. Press the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Like, share, leave a comment in the comment section. Bless upon yourself, my people. That is it.